Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ije. You can call me Ije for short. On today's video I'll be showing us how you can cut and preserve your vegetables for months or years. If this is the type of video you're looking for, please keep watching. Welcome back again, family. So here today we have some vegetables. We have the yellow bell peppers, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and some carrots. So I'll be showing you how you can cut this vegetable, preserve it for months, and it's still going to be very fresh. Okay, so here we have them. If today is your first time tuning into my channel, please kindly subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell, share to your friends and family. This will be of good help for this Christmas and for everything. So a dietitian told me that fruits has most of their nutrients at their outer skin, so I stopped scraping carrots. I stopped scraping the outer part of the carrots, so that's why I left it like that. And the first thing I do is I put on some salt on my vegetables, to wash out every germs, and then I wash on a running water, guys, to wash your vegetables and keep them clean. So guys, with my clean sharp knife, I usually like to clean out the inner part of these vegetables, the seeds and all those parts inside. They can make your food taste bitter, so I take them out, clean up the inner parts, and then I start cutting the vegetables. Keep watching, guys. Okay. My beautiful family, so this will save you a lot of cooking time in the kitchen. You can store the vegetables separately, like the green one, the red bell pepper, your carrots, on separate Ziploc bags, or you can put them together like this. Sometimes I put them together, I mix the vegetables together in one Ziploc bag. This way it will stay weeks, months, years. Just put them in the freezer. Whenever you want to cook, bring it out, put in your food, and you're good to go. If today is your first time tuning into my channel, please subscribe, give this video a massive thumbs up, share to your friends and family, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I put up a new video, you get notifications. Until I see you guys on my next one, EJTube loves you. Bye.